That's Cm1228 G4 Smd 12. High luminous efficiency and brightness. Designed for commercial indoor lighting, this G4 LED bulb features high-efficiency SMD LED, delivering up to 120 lumens of bright, stable output, ideal for applications that require energy-efficient and powerful illumination. Wide voltage and non-polarity design. Supports 12 VDC, AC to 30 VDC, AC wide voltage input, and features a non-polarity design, allowing installation without distinguishing positive and negative terminals. This user-friendly feature simplifies replacement and enhances reliability. Excellent energy efficiency. Operates at only 1.56 kW, while delivering exceptional brightness, reducing power consumption and operating costs, perfect for long-hour commercial lighting environments. Applications. Ideal for a variety of indoor and vehicle lighting needs, such as cabinet lighting, display case lighting, ceiling spotlight, decorative lighting, camper RV interior lighting, retail or hospitality lighting setups. Compatible with standard G4 configurations. Easy installation. Plug-and-play design allows for the left replacement of traditional G for halogen bulb without rewiring or special tools. Color options: 6000K core white, 2700K warm white. Custom colors available on request: red, yellow, green, blue, and others. Note: please confirm the bulb size, base type, and voltage before purchase. Contact us for compatibility support or to request customized color output options.